There are ways to articulate things that are gonna be more compelling, like connecting a result to a deliverable. People talk about features and benefits. There's something deeper than that. Custom benefits to features. For anybody who doesn't know what features and benefits are you get an all-in-one CRM dashboard, you get 24/7 support, you get your own dedicated rep. Benefits are you have 24/7 support so that you're never down for longer than 10 minutes. You have a CRM dashboard so everybody can see and be on the same page at the beginning of the day. And you have a dedicated account rep so that they catch things that you might not even notice are going wrong. So you're connecting to the result, but take it a step further and customize that benefit. All-in-one CRM dashboard so everybody can log in the beginning of the day and see where they are and their action items for the day instead of being in meetings until 11 a.m. just getting their tasks for the day. You have 24/7 support, unlike your previous experience where you had to wait 48 hours to get a response or any tech issue. You won't have any tech issues that are there for more than 10 minutes. Do you see how you're customizing it to the conversation you've had with the other person? It's a million times more powerful.